Welcome to the ultimate Santorini Greece luxury getaway. Get ready to embark on a journey to one of the most breathtaking and enchanting destinations in the world. Santorini, with its iconic whitewashed buildings, cascading blue dome roofs, and stunning views of the Aegean Sea, is a paradise that offers an unparalleled luxury experience. From luxurious accommodations perched on cliffs overlooking to caldera to world-class dining experiences showcasing the finest Greek cuisine, this getaway is designed to immerse you in a lap of luxury. Indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments, soak up the Mediterranean sun on pristine beaches, and witness unforgettable sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. Whether you're seeking a romantic escape or a lavish vacation, Santorini has it all. So, join us as we uncover the secrets of this exquisite island and embark on the ultimate luxury getaway in Santorini, Greece. Nestled in the sparkling Aegean Sea, Santorini stands as a mesmerizing dream destination that beckons luxury travelers from all corners of the world. Renowned for its breathtaking views and rich cultural heritage, the ultimate Santorini Greece luxury getaway guarantees an opulent experience that will leave you awe-inspired. From the moment you step foot on this enchanting island, you'll be greeted by a seamless blend of elegance and indulgence, as world-class accommodations, fine dining, and personalized service await. Whether you seek a private villa perched on the cliffside or a lavish boutique hotel overlooking the caldera, Santorini offers an array of luxurious options that cater your every desire. From the first rays of sunlight to the spectacular sunsets that grace the horizon, Santorini's beauty knows no bounds. Immerse yourself in the island's ethereal ambience as you embark on this ultimate luxury journey, where every moment is designed to surpass your expectations and create lifelong memories. Prepare to be captivated by Santorini's allure as you explore its picturesque villages, indulge in exquisite cuisine, and discover the wonders that lie within its ancient history. The ultimate Santorini Greece luxury getaway guarantees an unparalleled experience that will leave you with cherished memories and a longing to return to this idyllic paradise. Firstly, the accommodation options in Santorini are nothing short of spectacular. From lavish boutique hotels to private villas with infinity pools, each property offers breathtaking views of the caldera and the shimmering sea. The interiors are meticulously designed, combining traditional Greek architecture with modern comforts. Whether you choose a cliffside suite or a secluded villa, you can expect nothing but the utmost luxury and privacy. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the plush furnishings to the carefully curated amenities. Your stay in Santorini will be a seamless blend of opulence and tranquility, where you can unwind in style and immerse yourself in the island's beauty. In addition to exceptional accommodations, the culinary experiences in Santorini are a true delight for the senses. The island is renowned for its vibrant gastronomy, with a focus on fresh, local ingredients and traditional Greek flavors. Indulge in exquisite seafood dishes, savor the delicate flavors of sun-ripened tomatoes and feta cheese, and toast to the good life with a glass of fine local wine. Whether you dine in Michelin-starred restaurant or enjoy a casual meal at the traditional taverna, the culinary offerings in Santorini will leave you craving for more. Beyond the luxurious accommodations and delectable cuisine, Santorini boasts a wealth of activities and attractions to enhance your luxury getaway. Explore the charming villages perched on the cliffside, such as Oia and Fira, where you can wander through narrow cobblestone streets, browse upscale boutiques, and admire the iconic blue dome churches. Immerse yourself in the island's rich history by visiting archaeological sites like the Accommodation, where you can marvel at the well-preserved ruins of an ancient Minoan settlement. For a more leisurely experience, indulge in a private yacht excursion around the island, taking in the stunning coastal views and enjoying secluded swimming spots. Santorini's natural beauty is truly unparalleled, and one of the highlights of your luxury getaway will undoubtedly be witnessing the famous Santorini sunsets. Whether you choose to watch the sun sink into the sea from the privacy of your own terrace or join a sunset cruise, the breathtaking colors that paint the sky will leave you in awe. The island's volcanic landscape adds a unique touch to its beauty, with black sand beaches and rugged cliffs creating a dramatic backdrop for your luxury retreat. Secondly, Santorini is renowned for its world-class dining experiences. The island is home to a plethora of gourmet restaurants that showcase the finest Greek cuisine and international flavors. Imagine indulging in fresh seafood, local delicacies, and exquisite wines while overlooking the breathtaking sunset. Each culinary experience is a celebration of flavors, complemented by impeccable service and a serene atmosphere. From Michelin-starred establishments to charming seaside tavernas, Santorini's dining scene caters to every palate and promises an unforgettable gastronomic journey. Delight in the harmonious blend of traditional Greek recipes and innovative culinary techniques, crafted with the freshest ingredients sourced from the bountiful Aegean Sea and surrounding fertile lands. Whether you're saving a romantic candlelit dinner or enjoying a casual lunch with panoramic views, Santorini's dining experiences elevate your luxury getaway to new heights of culinary excellence. Beyond the luxurious accommodations and delectable dining, Santorini offers a range of exclusive activities to elevate your getaway. Explore the island's hidden gem on a private yacht tour where you can sail around the volcanic coastline, swim in secluded coves, and snorkel in crystal clear waters. Discover the island's rich history and culture with private guided tours of ancient archaeological sites such as the ruins of Akrotiri and the historic town of Oya. Immerse yourself in the local traditions by participating in a wine tasting experience at one of the island's renowned wineries, where you can sample exquisite Santorinian wines and learn about the unique viticulture practices. Indulge in wellness and relaxation at world-class spa retreats, where rejuvenating treatments and serene settings transport you to a state of pure bliss. Take part in thrilling outdoor adventures, from hiking the scenic trails that wind through the island's rugged landscapes to embarking on a helicopter tour for a bird-eye view of Santorini's stunning beauty. Whether you seek tranquility, adventure, or cultural immersion, Santorini offers a myriad of exclusive activities that cater to every discerning traveler's desires. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, Santorini is home to world-class spa retreats. Pamper yourself with luxurious spa treatments, including massages, facials, and holistic therapies. Many spa facilities are designed to blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings, providing a tranquil oasis where you can unwind and revitalize your senses. Indulge in the therapeutic properties of volcanic ash and mineral-rich waters, known for their detoxifying and rejuvenating effects. Immerse yourself in the soothing ambience of open-air spas, where gentle sea breezes and breathtaking views create a serene atmosphere. Highly trained therapists will cater to your every need, ensuring a personalized experience that leaves you feeling renewed and restored. Whether you choose a traditional spa or a wellness center offering innovative treatments, Santorini's spa retreats provide the perfect opportunity to escape from the stresses of everyday life and embrace a state of pure bliss. Lastly, no luxury getaway in Santorini is complete without witnessing the iconic sunset that paints the sky in hues of orange, pink, and gold. Whether you choose to watch the sunset from your private terrace, a luxurious rooftop bar, or aboard a sunset cruise, the experience is simply magical and unforgettable. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting its warm glow over the caldera and the sparkling sea, you'll be captivated by the sheer beauty of nature. Sip on a glass of fine champagne or indulge in a handcrafted cocktail while basking in the romantic ambience. The tranquil atmosphere, coupled with breathtaking views, create a sense of serenity and awe. As the sky transforms into a tapestry of colors, you'll feel as though you're witnessing a masterpiece unfold before your eyes. The sunset in Santorini is not just a moment, but an experience that will forever be etched in your memory, symbolizing the epitome of luxury and beauty that this enchanting island has to offer. In conclusion, the ultimate Santorini Greece luxury getaway is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that combines stunning accommodations, exquisite dining, exclusive activities, and unparalleled natural beauty. Immerse yourself in the lap of luxury as you indulge in the best that Santorini has to offer. Prepare to create cherished memories and fall in love with the enchanting charm of this Greek paradise. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the ultimate Santorini Greece luxury getaway. From the breathtaking views of the caldera to the luxurious accommodations, world-class dining experiences, exclusive activities, rejuvenating spa retreats, and unforgettable sunsets, Santorini offers a truly extraordinary escape for those seeking the pinnacle of luxury. Immerse yourself in the beauty of this iconic Greek island, where every moment is filled with opulence, relaxation, and awe-inspiring experiences. Whether you're looking for a romantic retreat or luxurious adventure, Santorini will exceed your expectations and leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. So, Indulge in the allure of Santorini and embark on the ultimate luxury getaway in this idyllic paradise.